let's dive into the greatness of Idaho. You and I will discover the people, destinations, activities, food, and drinks in the spring, summer, fall, or winter with local influencers. This is Uncover Idaho.
What's going on, guys? This is Carl with the Racer Red channel. I'm here with Uncover Idaho. I'm a YouTuber from New Plymouth, Idaho. My favorite thing about riding this area, definitely, is just the diverse terrain. This embedded granite that you run into once you get up in the high elevations like this, up in the mountains. Not only is it scenic, adds a lot of contrast to the terrain, but a lot of it is embedded. Some of it's not, but a lot of it is, and it really is nice to ride on because you can stick to it so well. It really provides a lot of traction. Man, that's a beautiful view up ahead. Driving from New Plymouth to where we're at right now, it's a really scenic drive. There's a little bit of washboards on the dirt road up here, but you're definitely rewarded with some amazing scenery and trails. And Idaho in general just provides 360-degree exploration. You know, here in Idaho, you can just point a direction and explore, so it's pretty awesome. For families that want to do stuff in the outdoors, Idaho is definitely a place where it's still promoted to go out and travel and explore, and that's one of the best things about it is you can still come out here and travel and see pretty much the entire state, whether that's on foot or on two wheels. There's something for everybody. And that's what's so cool about it is you have the desert areas to start out in, and then you'll want to progress up into the mountains later on. So for those looking to learn how to ride a motorcycle, just get a little bike and start riding in our desert areas. And that's perfect for just learning. And after that, it doesn't take long before you'll want to explore deeper. What's going on, guys? I hope you enjoyed this episode of Uncover Idaho and exploring around the area with me and hanging out with my friends and family and checking out the camping spots and lakes. It's been a good time. So we'll catch you on the next one.